Hi, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Christopher King. I actually see some familiar faces in this class, so we've taken some classes together. Um, so you probably already know my name, and it's interesting to see familiar faces just because I like to. It's interesting to me how people change over time in response to like a specific stimulus, i.e., education. And so I look forward to reading the work of those who we've already had a class together. If you know my name, then you also know that I like to just jump straight into the questions because at this point we've done like 30 icebreakers. So the first question is where am I completing my concentration internship? I haven't interviewed for any organizations just yet. I'm just starting to get into that process, but I actually want to intern in a medical setting. And interestingly enough, I was unaware that we were taking this class on this particular block in our schedule. And so, what this is the perfect opportunity for me to brush up on my knowledge of what a social worker is meant or expected to do, specifically in a medical setting. And that actually leads into the question regarding what I hope to take away from this class. What I hope to take away is every single word that we read and every single thing that we learn, simply because I want to be prepared for when the time comes for the interview. Not only do I want to demonstrate my knowledge as a widener student, but I also want to demonstrate the fact that I am competent and that I will be an asset to whichever team I am assigned to in that particular organization's setting. And so this class could not have come at a better time for me. And I expect to soak up everything as much as I can like a sponge. Those of you who have had prior classes with me also know that I don't have much experience in the social work industry. As a matter of fact, my internship and part time position last semester was my first experience, and it was amazing. It's everything that I expected it to be and more. And so I'm just excited to get some more information along a different spectrum. I worked in uh, an organization that was more focused on mental health rather than in a quote unquote medical setting. And so I'm excited to just branch out and explore other opportunities and explore what I ultimately see as my career in social work, which is hopefully in a medical setting. So I look forward to working with everyone and reading everyone's work and growing together. And if you ever have any questions or if I can help in any way, just reach out to me. Thank you and have a good day, everyone.